Are you still sending admission updates to students one by one on WhatsApp? Copy, paste, send and repeat. Not only it is time consuming, but let's be honest, it is a very hectic task. And even worse, most bulk messages fail because they are not structured properly or sent the wrong way. So today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send an admission live broadcast messages to hundreds or even thousands of students just one click. So here's what we have done. I have stored all my students' data like name and phone number inside a Google Sheet. Now instead of messaging each student manually, we are going to use a broadcast system to send messages to all contacts at once. For this, I am using an all-in-one platform named Pabbly Chatflow. This tool allows you to send bulk WhatsApp messages and automate campaigns completely. So for comment this page, simply open your browser and go to pabbly.com/chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, click on sign up free option and create your account and you will receive 100 credits every month to explore the software. If you already have an account, then click on the sign in option. But before moving forward, I want you to know that if you are planning to use this for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT. This will give you an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. Now after doing the sign in process, you will see all Pabbly apps. Here you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and after that you will see the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. We have already created a separate video of how you can add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. For both of these steps, check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn more about all of these features, and we have already created a separate video for it, I have shared the link of the video in the description below. As we are creating a WhatsApp broadcast message, so I am going in this broadcast feature. So this is the page. Here you can create multiple types of broadcast campaign. Now let me explain you how WhatsApp broadcast actually works, because this is where most people get confused. So think of broadcast like this, that you send one message but it gets delivered to hundreds of students individually. Yes, not in group, not in publicly. Each student receives a personal WhatsApp message in their inbox. So this is how this broadcast works. As we are creating a new broadcast, so I will click on this plus add broadcast. See, this is the starting page of doing the setup of WhatsApp broadcast, where you have to select the broadcast type that I'm going to select as broadcast campaign. Next, I am giving the broadcast name as admission alert. Next is the contact list, where you have to select the contacts on whom you have to send the broadcast message. So at first, you need to prepare all of your users' contacts data properly. What I have done, I have stored all my student details inside Google Sheet. Here's the key most people ignore. Your data must be clean and structured, otherwise your bulk messages will fail or not deliver properly. So make it correctly. Once your data is ready, simply click on this file and download it in a CSV format. See, the file is downloaded. Now I'm going to explain you how you can add multiple contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature. I am opening this in a new tab. So see, this is the Pabbly Chatflow contact feature. Here you can add and manage all of your contacts. So for adding a contact, you have to click on this plus add contact button. Here you can add contacts one by one by manually entering number and name in each of these fields. After that, click on this add contact button. But I prefer you to add a contacts in bulk. For adding a bulk contact, you have to click on this option. After that, upload the CSV file here by clicking on this plus add new file. Just drag and drop this file here, and next click on this upload file. After that, select the file from here and click on this insert button, and you will see how easily the file gets uploaded. And also keep that in your mind, only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and a maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. So this is how interesting it is. After uploading the CSV file, you have to click on this plus add contact button, and this is how easily you can add bulk of your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also create a list by here. I have already created the list by the name of new list. Here I added only 18 contacts. Now we will go back to the setup of broadcast. In this field, I'm going to select the contact list on warm. I want to send the broadcast message. In the next, you have to select the message type. That includes two options, that is pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting this option and select the message type from here. After that, enter the message in this field. The message you have entered here is going to be appear on the right hand side, but I prefer you to select the message type as pre-approved template message because it is approved by Meta that follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, I am selecting the template from here as admission alert. See, this is the template that I have already designed before. After clicking on this done button, the template gets uploaded. Now I'm going to explain you from where you can create this type of template. So for that, you have to go in this templates feature that are present in this left hand menu bar. This is the single tool that providing all the features. Now you are on the page. Here you can create multiple types of templates. Templates are usually used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. You can create a template by clicking on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate video of how you can design a template inside Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. See, I have already created some templates here, and this is the admission alert template that I want to send to my hundreds of students at the same time. These templates are approved by Meta. Now we will go back to our broadcast setup. After selecting the template, I am moving forward to the next one, that is username, that I am entering as smart user. After that, for only the testing purpose, I am sending this template to my WhatsApp account just only to show you by entering my number in this field and clicking on the send test message. Here I am only sending a test broadcast message just only to check it is working perfectly or not. So automatically I received a new message that includes all the content that I have entered in this template. So this is how it works. Now the next one is the schedule broadcast. You can send the message to all of your contacts instantly, as well as you can schedule it for later by selecting this option, that is yes, schedule for later. After that, select the date and time for scheduling the broadcast. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast for 31st March at 6 p.m. Here I have scheduled it. After that, I will click on this plus add broadcast button. With the help of this setup, automatically on 31st March at 6 p.m. this broadcast message is going to be sent to all of my students because I scheduled it this for later. But you can send it instantly too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report. Also, here you can see the status of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and you can also resend the broadcast to the failed contacts by clicking on the resend button. So this is how easily you can create a broadcast campaign by using Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this, you can create multiple types of broadcast campaign by using this tool. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.